Tracy. We're getting closer to Christmas and we're seeing what's in day 20.
Day 20. That was a fabulous intro, Phil. Thank you so much.
And I know what's inside.
Do you? Can you feel it?
Yes.
What do you think it is?
I can tell everybody.
Open it up.
It is some little rainbow stickers.
Little rainbow stickers? Ah, some metal dots. I'm actually going to hold this on here so everyone can see it. So they are little metal caps to add little dots and colours to your cards or your scrapbooking layouts. I'm keeping those ones for sure. Thank you so much for staying to see what was in day 20. We'll be back tomorrow to see what's in day 21. Hope you guys are enjoying the Advent kit and seeing what wonderful surprises are inside. Bye guys.